Question 10. We are given a diagram where sector CAB is part of a circle with center C. This is the center of the sector CAB. A circle with center O and radius R lies within the sector and touches it at D, E, and F. COD is a straight line, and angle ACD is theta radians. Part A, find CD in terms of R and sine theta. Now let's look at this. CFO is a right triangle. This is the right angle, and this is angle theta. Part A, we need to find CD, the length of CD in terms of R and sine theta. CD is OD plus OC. OD is the radius of this small little circle, so OD has a value of R. And to find OC, we need to look at triangle COF, which is a right triangle. So let's just draw the triangle COF here. The right angle is at F, so this is F. We have C and O here. We know that OF is the radius of the circle, so this has a length of R, and angle FCO, this is given by theta. Now we need to find OC. OC is the hypotenuse. So if OC is the hypotenuse, then from triangle COF, which is a right triangle, sine theta is the opposite, which is R, over the hypotenuse, which is OC. Then rearranging, OC is R over sine theta, which is this value here. CD is R plus R over sine theta. That will give us the answer to part A. It is now given that R is 4, so we replace this R with 4, and theta is pi over 6. So this angle now is pi over 6. Find the perimeter of sector CAB in terms of pi. The perimeter of sector CAB, that would be AC plus AB plus the arc length ADC. So we have the arc length ADB, sorry. So we have the arc ADB, AC and AB. AC and AB is the radius of this circle with sector CAB. So the length of AC and AB is the same as the length of CD. Well, CD is still the radius of the sector. What we could do now is we find CD, the value of CD. R is 4, we have 4 plus 4 over sine of pi over 6. But sine of pi over 6 is 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. So CD is 4 plus 4 over 1 over 2, which gives us an 8, and we have 12 here. Then we know that AC is 12, AB is also 12. And we need to find the arc length of ADB. The arc length of ADB, so is given by R theta. So it's given by R times the angle. We cannot use theta because theta is already used. And we know that R is 12 here. Theta is pi over 6. So that angle ACB, the angle that we have is 12 times angle ACB. Angle ACB is 2 times pi over 6. And this gives us a value of 4 pi. So yeah, one theta, the other one is also theta. DCB is also theta, which is pi over 6. Then the perimeter, we have 12 plus 12 plus 4 pi. That will give us 24 plus 4 pi. And we have the perimeter of sector CAB in terms of pi. Part C, we need to find the area of the shaded region in terms of pi and square root of 3. Let's look at this. This shaded region, well, the area of this shaded region, if I connect O and E, the area of the shaded region is actually the area of CFOE minus the area of this sector here, sector FOE from this small little circle. That area is perfectly symmetrical. So from here, what we could do is, this is actually we consider triangle CFO. So if you only look at triangle CFO, then we have triangle area of triangle CFO minus the area of sector, the shaded sector here. Okay, so we minus the area of this shaded sector. Let's say this A sub S here. Then this will give you the area of the entire shaded part. We consider one of them, it is perfectly symmetrical. Now to find the area of triangle CFO, this is pi over 6, that is 4. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we need to find CF. In order to find CF, let's look at this triangle. Tangent of pi over 6, that is 4 over CF. Tangent of pi over 6 is 1 over root 3, that is 4 over CF. Then you can just cross multiply, and we have CF equals 4 root 3. Then the area of triangle CFO is half of base, which is 4 root 3, and the height is 4, minus the area of this shaded region here, the small little circle. That area of the small little circle is half R squared theta. This is pi over 6. That angle, which is FOC, is actually this angle. If this is pi over 6, that must be pi over 3. You take pi over 2 minus pi over 6, and you get pi over 3. from the right triangle. So you have half r squared theta. R is 4, that is 4 squared, and theta is pi over 3. Right. So that is a 2, that is a 2. So yeah, 8 root 3, and then 16 divided by 2 is 8 pi over 3. And when you multiply by 2, we have 16 root 3 minus 16 pi over 3. That will give us the area of the shaded region.